This 2024 Newmar Kountry Star 4037 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Manitoba Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Cabinetry interior, Sleep 6, external shower, Awning, Colorado Detector, LP Detector, Skylight, TV, air conditioning, smoke detector, stove top burner, TV antenna, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Kountry Star 4037 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins B6.7 360 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.